prove me wrong. From 7th December, I lose the election to today. I have not heard Ken Ohini Japan speak against Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia on any public platform. He himself speak. I have not heard him. We see Debbie. After 2024 election, say prior to the election, Nyama Baku Minu because Emma lose the election. Ye name say NDC for Omudi. Sometimes we have to tell ourselves the hard truth. Okay. And this night, earlier tonight, around 7 p.m. Ghana time, I was minding my business, actually uploading stuff to our YouTube channel, and then I saw a call coming from the United States of America, US. I did not understand because, I hope you can all hear me. I did not understand because I was like, the person was not calling via WhatsApp. The person wasn't calling via WhatsApp. The person was calling direct call from US. Now, what US when him say, Ufre Ghana direct caller. It is quite expensive. So for someone to call you direct call instead of calling you via WhatsApp, it be an emergency. So I picked the call and I was like, hello. Person was like, yes, the voice, we want to say, so me who pa. I said, I didn't who found so let me who find, but the way you have called me direct call with not through WhatsApp, I'm strange. I'm feeling somehow it's strange. Have I done something wrong? I might be Diana. And no see Debbie. But saying asem a hand and ten of anything I'll frame me. Like now he or she did not even know say or frame me direct call. So but offer me direct call. I was okay. I'm say asem ben. And I'll say the voice. As I said, we need nipa bakumi enu bi nkasa. Na ade a ekoso TikTok. Ko call live. Se na nsema nkrofo kan ni se na mu yiya nkrofo and time too much the voice. I've recorded the call actually. Yes, but I don't want to play it here. Uncle Felix, you are welcome. I don't want to play it here because I don't want any issues like people going to attack other people and all those things. But that's the call I received 3 hours ago. And me no, I feel so bad. Uncle Felix, thanks for sharing. I feel so bad when some of these things happen. I feel so bad. The reason I feel bad is because, look, some of these mistakes we are making, and I'm sorry mistake as soon as your opposition. I mean, it's fantastic show. Thank you so much. Some of the mistakes we are repeating right now as many okasano. And I'm some mistakes also na your opposition. Sa camp sen sem nyina no. And I'm menusu na your opposition Na wow study social media bia na say wow study a party ni bia no. Ebra me no kasa say no. Even Crawford na omu pese omu bedi yeso as flag bearer kumpono. Se see ameno kasa no they Tony down, Tony down. Kennedy we Tony down. Friend is saying Vice President Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia we Tony down. Or no there even before cry he doesn't engage in this kind of politics. Right? All other camps Oma Tony down. I mean, the people who want actually to become president of the Republic of Ghana. And I don't understand why. Nipa opeso dia dieno we Tony down. Now why we a supporter no? Who now feel say you have the right to insult. Now you see, I want to sound this alarm and this warning to my own camp people. Obianem say me dem Bawumia guy. Obianem. We all almost everyone knows. Say me Bawumia guy. And I won't hide it. That notwithstanding, You see me on regular occasions picking up Ken Bar and all the rest. We are NPP. The moment we NPP, you will have access to my platform. Because platform, the voice of NPP, the voice of Bawumia, I said the voice of Kennedy, and I said the voice of Bache Jako. Now, yeti Bawumia camp on we are using the misbehavior sometimes of our friends in the Ken camp as an excuse to also misbehave. I say you can't create your Bawumia camp on we are beginning to use the misbehavior of some people in the Ken camp as an excuse to misbehave. And you're right. Two wrongs do not make a right. Please. Two wrongs never make a right. And you see, there are people like Uncle Felix and the rest who are trying so hard to get the attention of Yempeni for more party no more to come and focus also on social media, especially TikTok. People like Uncle Felix, they are trying so hard to get the leadership, some of the well-known people, prominent people, are more party for their attention to shift, for them to adopt TikTok, to adopt Facebook, to adopt Instagram, and the rest. Now imagine, say Uncle Ford, they have started coming on the live. Right? Last time, Sena, Uncle Kofi Tonto came to the live. You saw how Dr. Palgrave came to the live, pick it up on more. And they are trying to bring more such people to TikTok to come and join our lives. After they saw live more, then we are using unprintable words on some of the people who are running. Now, say, now, yes, so live now. We don't insult the people who are misbehaving. No. Yes, so live now. Say, let's take a misbehavior. Yembo, let's take a deal. Now, you're the Kennedy. Now, Kennedy for some live. Now, Moody ya da Bawumia. Meanwhile, Bawumia has not come to say anything. So how do they take us seriously? How would they ever take the TikTok platform serious to adopt the TikTok platform? How? And this was not our how we operate. Many of you started complaining, say, yeah, we are too protocol. It's not about that. It's about knowing what you stand for, knowing the party you belong to. This is never the way NPP operates. Okay, and we cannot use our defeat as an excuse. We cannot use the misbehavior of anybody in any camp as an excuse. I go on some lives and they insult Dr. Bawumia. But that does not warrant me to come and open this live and start insulting whoever the person that camp is. Or misbehaving. Don't go and insult Kennedy Japan. Because let's tell ourselves the truth. No matter, Mami, you are welcome. No matter how much you don't want Kennedy Japan to be a flag bearer, the financial power he is bringing into the party, you and I cannot cover for it if he leaves the party. Sorry if what I'm saying, it is striking some nerves. But I believe, say, we are using our own hands to destroy. And saying, hello, you are welcome. I believe, say, we are using our own hands to destroy the hard work we are doing. And we are making up too many excuses. So, and yet by force, Debbie, it's not by force. People insult us. I've met people insulting me. The last time I came on the live, you saw somebody who was part of the live who was accusing me of not picking him when he comes to my life, which wasn't true. Did I retaliate? No, because you can party back home. We are all part of the same party. The way things are going, see, you can do that. The way things are going, social media will not be taken seriously by the rank and file of the party. It will not. The enemy has never been us. The enemy has always been the NDC. And what made us lose in 2024, the same thing cannot make us win in 2028. Yeah. The same thing that we did in 2024 that made us lose. This whole camp thing. And I belong to this camp, this camp, this camp. And then this one, when you own your life, instead of talking about the 70 bold solutions or talking about the whatever, you rather you spend the whole time insulting one another. No? That's what made us to lose 2024. Right? So that same thing that we are doing now cannot win at 2028. So let's stop it. We whenever we take a step forward, these things are dragging us two steps backward. Nipa no frame me no. Now me cry try because I've spoken about it over and over again. He has told himself, okay, I'll call the person. I will not call the person because my casa are my brain. My casa are my brain. Mami Abraham must say, God bless you, bro. Amen. After 2024 election, you see, sometimes you should not be working operating with we see there be. After 2024 election, say prior to the election, nyama baku mienu because wa ema ye lose the election. Ye nim say NDC for omudi Ken videos and omudi campaign tia. Ye name. So must we keep dwelling on the past? No. After election 2024, from 7th December till today, I have not heard Honorable Ken on any official platform speak against Dr. Bawumia. Prove me wrong. Prove me wrong. Prove me wrong. From 7th December, I lose the election to today. I have not heard Ken Ohini Japan speak against Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia on any public platform. He himself speak. I have not heard him. I haven't. The same way Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia has never ever spoken against anybody in this party. Never. Now, me minya Kenny, but I know that there is a proverb in Akan say, "Cotton one noma." Hey, say me tree abo. I say me bufu say, say me bufu me tree bapa. Cotton and one noma. So you can't be a follower of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and not exude his qualities. He is a peacemaker. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is a peacemaker. As far as he's laughing, I say me bufu me tree ba. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no oye asumdwe hini. Asumdwe hini is a king of peace. Kra oye asumdwe hini. Ewo NPP mu. Eti eba ne say na afi die. No, we are wasting too much time. You are wasting too much time on this whole TikTok kunko penance ade ekoso. They say enjoy.